daughter.
Baba.
You are looking fine.
Thank you, Baba.
So what are you here for?
Baba, I came here. I need your help.
Tell me now, what do you need?
Baba, are you sure you can do it for me?
Look at you. She has today they do something for you.
Baba, are you sure with this?
Hey, I will do it for everything. You will just tell me I will do it.
Baba, I need benefit boyfriend.
Now that's everything.
Okay.
Okay, see, anybody use it for here, now you will be your boyfriend. There's nothing like I'm not doing it again. I'm telling you that you must marry that person. Okay. The God of the golden Academy, carry what shake around. Hey!
Baba,
I will show you another one.
Okay, Baba.
Carry boys together, but beat up. Come on, bro.
Marry out now. Baba, will beat me, Baba. Baba.
See, this one will be the last one.
Okay, Baba, I don't hear you.
Will be the last one.
Baba, I don't hear you.
Carry the golden Academy. Beat it, sir. Yeah.
Jesus is Lord! Hey! How did you do that?
Now you go back to the I don't tell you.
Right.